here are all the fresh vegetables we need for our recipe. We've got onion, 2 cloves of garlic, a carrot, a celery stalk, 1 zucchini, some fresh parsley, and green kale. First, we'll cut the onion. Cut the ends off and peel the skin off. Then make some slices in one direction and chop in the other direction so that the onion gets into little pieces. Then you can hold the tip of the knife down and chop a little bit more. Next, we'll take the skin off of our garlic cloves. And first, I like to slice them into slices. Then, kind of like the onion, hold the tip of the knife down and chop into tiny pieces. Perfect. Next, we'll do the carrot. Slice it long ways so that there's a flat edge, and then we'll chop it into little half moon pieces. Do the same thing with the celery. Then we'll slice the zucchini in half, and then slice the half in half and chop those into little pieces. Do it with both halves. Awesome. Now we'll do our kale. Pull the leaves off the stems and then chop the kale into thin strips. I like to turn it around the other way to chop it a little bit smaller as well. Then move that over and we'll chop the parsley. It's okay if you get a little bit of stem in there, but stop when the leaves are pretty much over. Chop the parsley into little pieces and then we're ready to get cooking. All right, we've got our pot going. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We'll add our onion and garlic. Next we'll add our carrots and celery. Now it's time to add the tomatoes. The broth. And 2 cups of water. Also add all of our herbs. Now we'll add our zucchini. A can of cannellini beans. And 1 cup of frozen green beans. Finally, we'll add our kale and parsley. Yum, it's all ready. I've got some whole wheat pasta in my bowl, and I'm time to have a bowl of soup. Now you can top it with some Parmesan cheese. Yum!